Hi everyone, Anna Kessler here with another mini album tip for you. So we all know that we can make a mini album from envelopes, right? But what if we take these envelopes and turn them into pockets? So we'll have a double pocket on each page, one with the envelope and the other one that we create ourselves. So we get double the fun from creating envelope interactive pocket pages for our mini album. And then we simply cover them with cover papers on both sides, including the flaps that close each of the envelopes. And you can just try different pocket to create different pockets, directions, and folds to create. And then you'll have your own interactive envelope pocket pages. Isn't that cool? I'm just covering all the flaps. I simply attach the paper on one side and then cut it to the shape and then attach the paper on the other side of the flap. Also cover the front and back covers, and then I can reassemble my album with the different pockets that I created. It also creates different size pages, and I can also add pockets like this on the front of the envelope or on the back. I can fold so the pocket will be opening to the left or opening to the right, depending on the direction that I want. And then I'll have a really cool envelope. Thank you very much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. Here is the finished mini album embellished. I've added a belly band. I've made a pocket from one of the flaps. I folded some of the pages to create pockets. I added pockets horizontally on the front of a complete envelope page. So I played with the different options that the envelope give me, and you should do the same. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.